One confined, we're going to have to pop the driver's door. 183 safety, Medic 11. 183 Chief 2, 183 safety. I'm going to bring our rescue around. 183 rescue. Pull around, go up and around, and go to work. 183 rescue, I need them with a call location. 183 safety from 11 Delta. Alright, David, you're coming into a female patient, 20s, head injury, no loss of consciousness, and she's confined, not entangled. That for me. BLS 3.
I apologize, I didn't realize Dr. was responding, so let's give a second please for how much is available.
Shorty available, 1025.
In the area at the lowest price guarantee. Plus, you're only going to get the most for your trade. Don't make a $1,000 mistake. Make the drive to Route 45 in Lewisburg. Roses are red. Don't let Valentine's be lame. Play Best Fiends, the super fun puzzle game. Download free from the App Store or Google Play today. That's friends without the R. Best Fiends. Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure, you can post your job to some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/deal. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates finding you. Technology identifies people with the right experience and actively invites them to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So, while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for. The needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. ZipRecruiter. The smartest way to hire. And now you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/deal. ZipRecruiter.com/deal. ZipRecruiter.com/deal.
Excuse me, Captain. This is your wake-up call from the new TracPhone Wireless.
What's that now?
What if you had to fly this plane while sitting back in the cabin?
I wouldn't have any control.
Well, that's what it's like going with some wireless companies, but TracPhone Wireless gives you control. Get unlimited talk and text on America's best 4G LTE network starting at $20 a month, no contract. Plus, unlimited carryover data with active service.
That's cool, but how'd you get in my cockpit?
This is your wake-up call, people. The new TracPhone Wireless. Now you're in control. Available at major retailers. See terms and conditions at TracPhone.com.
11 Delta. 11 Delta.
Is fever.
Good area.
By more than 80 clinical studies. We can always predict the flu.
1027.
Prepare for it with the extra temporal scanner. Forget.com.
Magic 93.
This is Michael B.